Hi friends, I am Akansha. I hope you are well. It is a part 2 of DMRC SNT 2020 paper with regular posts. If you have not seen part 1, then you can see it before watching this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Continuing this video consists of GS portion with an explanation. Question number first. Which Indian Space Center launched electronic intelligence satellite EMISAT in 2019? Answer is Sriharikota. The Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO launched the country's first electronic surveillance satellite EMISAT from Sriharikota in coastal Andhra Pradesh on Monday morning. On 1st April 2019, India's PSLV C-45 and C-45 launcher lifted off from SDSC Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, on India's east coast and successfully injected EMISAT and 28 international customer satellites into their designated orbit. It is taken from the Hindu paper. हर्ष सेकंड क्वेश्चन हर्षवर्धन को के हाथों हार का सामना करना पड़ा. आंसर इज पुलकेशिन सेकंड. हर्ष was defeated by South Indian Emperor Pulakeshin II of the Chalukya dynasty in the Battle of Narmada when Hers tried to expand his empire into a southern peninsula of India. Third question is who has hit the most run in IPL 2019? David Warner has hit the most runs in IPL 2019. He scored 692 runs in IPL 2019. Fourth question is capital of Harshavardhana Emperor was in 17th century CE. The Harsha, also known as Harshvardhana, was an Indian emperor who ruled North India from 606 to 647 CE. He was a member of Vardhana dynasty and eventually made Kannauj in the present Uttar Pradesh state his capital and ruled till 647 CE. क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ. दक्षिण भारत में स्थित तमिलनाडु का एक प्रसिद्ध नृत्य रूप है जो मंदिरों को समर्पित नर्तकियों की कला से विकसित हुआ. तो पहले इसे दासी अट्टम के रूप में जाना जाता था. आंसर इज भारतनाट्यम. देसी अट्टम, a classical dance from India, has its origin deeply rooted in region of South India, particularly in the state of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Dasi Attam, just like other classical dance forms, has been generated from Natya Shastra. Dasi Attam has evolved into Indian classical dance from Bharatnatyam, which is a blend of music, emotion, rhythm and expression. Question number 6. Which country in the world is the largest exporter of rice? First largest exporter is India and second one is Thailand. It export 19.2% in 2019. Question number 7. Which among the following schedule deal with administration and control of the tribal areas in the state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram? The fifth schedule of constitution deals with administration and control of scheduled areas as well as of scheduled tribes residing in any state other than state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Which soil is mostly found in deltas and estuaries? Alluvial soil is found in river deltas of eastern coast. This soil is particularly found in the deltas made by river Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, हर्षवर्धन दरबार का दौरा करने के बाद सी यूं की पुस्तक किसने लिखी? Siyunki was written by Chinese pilgrim, monks, and scholar Huansong. He residing in India for 17 years in search of Buddhist texts. He visited Kannauj during period of Harshvardhana. All his experiences were depicted in his book Siyunki, which means History of Western World. Question number 10. Which following legal is not imposed on scheduled areas? Answer is राज्यपाल स्वायत्त जिलों या क्षेत्रों के प्रशासन से संबंधित मामलों पर गौर करने और रिपोर्ट करने के लिए एक आयोग नियुक्त कर सकता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, दो अलग-अलग मार्केट जैसे एनएससी और बीएससी में कीमतों के बीच विसंगति का लाभ उठाने के लिए व्यवसाय में है। BSc BSc is a shorter form of Bombay Stock Exchange. BSc is oldest and largest securities market in India and has been operational since 1875. NSE is shorter form of National Stock Exchange. Arbitrage is the risk-free return earned due to market inefficiencies leading to price difference for the same security between two distinguished market. Arbitrage ensure that the share price don't deviate much from the fair value of security. Question number 12. भारत दोनों देशों के बीच एक नजदीकी समुद्री से सुरक्षा साझा बनाने के लिए एक तटीय निगरानी रडार प्रणाली स्थापित करेगा। Bangladesh on 5 October 2019 signed an MoU that will enable India to set up a coastal surveillance system radar in the neighboring country as a part of effort to harness bilateral defense cooperation and building a closer maritime security partnership between the two countries. Question number 13. Which party has got a large majority in UK general election 2019? The Conservative Party leader Boris Johnson has got 368 seats. Question number 14. काली मृदा को कहा जाता है? Black soil is also referred to as regular soil or cotton soil in India. The soil comprises various amount of vital nutrient necessary for cultivation. Question number 15. Which is true about short selling in stock market? Short selling is an investment or trading strategy that speculates on the decline in stock or other securities price. More specifically, a short selling is the sale of securities that is not owned by seller but that is promised to be delivered. Thank you.